LPPD is a set of principles, practices, and tools that enable organizations to work across functions in order to create new value streams.
To learn not to select, but to deselect. I mean, all those principles and practices of LPPD really resonate to me. And we start learning, and the more we learn, the more we get passion about it.
In order to excel in industrial performance, you have to start with the product and the process and the tools that you build.
We develop through learning. You change, the way you work, and you change the way you deal with things in life.
We've evolved these ideas, we've improved these ideas, we learn from our partners and try to continue to get better at this and to be more relevant as things change.
I got infected for life. This changed completely the way I think today, and the way I used to think is very different because you see the world with a different angle, different lenses.
I think it's crucial that we master technologies, but that technologies are in service to people, not people in service to technologies, which is what a lot of companies get backwards.
If you had those rules in place in the past, we would have a better present. And if you apply it now, we'll have a better future.